In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Wix groups to your site and invite members. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find groups, how to add it to your site, and how to start bringing people in. First, begin by clicking on Search. This is your quickest way to find features without hunting through menus. In the search bar, type the word Groups. You should see a result for Wix groups. Go ahead and click on Wix groups to open its details page so you can add it. Next, click on Add to Site. This is the action that actually installs the groups feature into your site, so it can take a bit of time. After you click, you'll see it begin to load. Now here's the important part. Wait for it to finish. It may feel slow, and that's normal. Just wait. If it seems like nothing is happening, wait for it again. Installation can be lengthy because Wix is connecting everything behind the scenes. Resist the urge to refresh the page or click away. Just wait. Give it the time it needs. It's very long to wait sometimes, but letting it complete ensures everything is set up correctly the first time. Once it's added, you'll see options to manage your new group. Click on Manage Group. This opens the control panel where all your group settings live. From here, click on Groups. This is where you can review your groups, adjust details, and access member controls. When you're ready to bring people in, click on Add Members. This is the doorway to growing your community. From here, you'll be able to choose who joins and how. You can add people directly if they're already in your contacts, or prepare to send invitations to new members. Take a moment to think about who should join first: team members, early supporters, or customers who will benefit most from connecting. And keep your messaging clear so they know what the group offers. To recap, you clicked on Search, searched for groups, chose Wix groups, and clicked Add to Site. You waited patiently while it loaded. Once it was added, you clicked Manage Group, then Groups, and finally Add Members to begin building your community. That's all there is to it. Follow these steps, be patient during the install, and you'll have Wix groups up and running smoothly. If you found this helpful, keep these steps handy the next time you set up a group and enjoy growing your community.